Are you looking for how to fix call not set problem on Android phone? In this video, I show you how to fix call not sent problem in Android phone. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now click on three dot. Now click on reset app preference. Now click on reset apps. Now click on again three dot menu. Now click on show system app. Now search for phone. Click on phone service. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now click on storage and cache. Clear storage. Delete. Now search phone. Click on phone. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Then click on storage and cache. Clear storage. Then delete. Now open your phone app. Now call someone. Now I hope that this method fixes call not sent problem.